Can we add another account to Discord Mobile? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can add another account to Discord Mobile. Well, let's get started. First thing you will need to do is update Discord to its latest version. You can do that on your App Store or Google Play Store. After you've done that, you can open up Discord. Now, to add another account, there should be an option from which you can switch between accounts. So if there is no switching option, I don't think that we can assume that adding an account is possible. If you need to log out and then sign in, I don't consider that as adding another account. I consider that as just signing out and logging in into another account. So let's figure out if we can add another account to our Discord mobile. So first thing you will need to do is you are on your home page. Head over to you, that is on the bottom right. Tap on the gear icon that is on the top right. After you're on the settings, you can scroll down till you find an option called switch accounts. If you do not find it, that's completely alright. I also didn't find it. Let's head over to the advanced settings and check if there is an option. So let me just go to developers mode, and after you're on developers mode, there is no option where you can simply switch accounts. So the only option that we have available is log out. So all you can do to add another account is log out and then sign in using that different account. I don't think that you can add another account to Discord Mobile, guys. I hope this answers your question. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.